The Babyland Cruiser effortlessly navigates the vibrant, bustling urban streets, a symbol of modern agility and style. The states. The 2025 Babyland Cruiser, heritage meets adventure. With unwavering resolve, the Babyland Cruiser conquers the rugged off-road trails, a testament to its adventurous spirit and robust engineering. Seamlessly transitioning between city and wilderness, the Babyland Cruiser showcases its unparalleled adaptability, embodying the freedom to explore any terrain. The rugged DNA of the vehicle is emphasized, with iconic design and compact form. The car's muscular fenders are revealed, underscoring its robust and sturdy nature. In the animated engine bay, virtual components dance in harmony, showcasing the versatile 1.8L and 2L engine options alongside seamless hybrid support. The emphasizes, engineered for versatility. Inside the cabin, a fusion of minimalist ruggedness and cutting-edge technology promises a seamless blend of adventure and connectivity. The narrator proclaims with confidence, tech, savvy, and tough. On a vibrant animated display, Toyota's Safety Sense lights up, showcasing its array of protective features designed to safeguard every journey. A stark comparison between Jeep and Ford reveals the Babyland Cruiser as the champion of affordable adventure,